Hi there. This is Algo Wizard, an algorithms and data structures visualizer. Here, the users can create their own random or custom data structures to visualize various algorithms. Let's start with some binary tree algorithms. Users can visualize in-order, pre-order, post-order, and level-order traversals. Now let's take a look at some graph algorithms. Users can visualize the BFS and the DFS algorithm to search for a node in a given graph. We've also got the Prim's and Kruskal's MST algorithm. These algorithms are used to find a minimum spanning tree in a given graph. And finally, we have the Dijkstra's shortest path algorithm to find the least weighted path between two nodes in a given same graph. Now let us see a few additional data structures that we can visualize in Algo Wizard. To name a few, we have the singly linked list, the doubly linked list, queues, stacks, trees, and graphs. So whether you're a student, a programmer, an instructor, or you just wish to start with programming, Algo Wizard can really help you understand these concepts better through visualization.